Hey, it's Greg over at DIY RV and Home Campers Life. I'm just doing a quick tip for you, and that is for you people with solar panels, talking about shadows and what the effects are. Now, I've got a Victron monitor, so as you see right here in this picture, I'm showing you currently, at the time of this picture, my door side panels were producing 252 watts, and the driver's side, slide side, was doing 338. Now in the picture I'm showing you right here, you can see that I have a antenna raised up, and it is actually blocking part of one of the solar panels. Doesn't look like much, but I was just messing around, so I dropped the antenna down, and now as you see, my solar input on that door side is 370 with 339 on the slide side. So it does show that just a minimal amount of shadowing on your solar panels will cause you a pretty big drop in your output. That's, you know, what, 118 watts difference. You know, times that throughout the day of or input during the day, you know, that can equate to a lot. And that's just on a 600 watt array. So anyways, always try to make sure that if you're trying to optimize your solar, that you make sure that all of it's you know, in direct sun as much as possible. As you see, ours were tilted to be optimized. Beautiful day, clear. We're in a position where there's nothing else around us that's going to cause shadow effects. Just that antenna there was dropping us 100 watts per hour, or, you know, just over 100 and what, 18 watts again. And that's just when I took the sample right now. So anyways, just a quick tip. If you guys got something out of this, if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And until next time, happy camping.